We're a unit.
I don't know. Zach and I usually win though.
Really?
What game have you been playing?
There was a period of time where you all never won a game.
No. You guys are full of baloney.
Good job, Matt. Keep it up. Keep it up, Matt. Matt!
What do you mean?
This is what it's like when you switch teams.
Oh god.
This is what their teamwork looks like. Have you touched the disc yet, Jackson?
You keep going in front. Okay.
I keep grabbing the objective of the game. I can't believe
Oh my god, I don't know how else you want me to grab it.
With your fucking.
When you're in front of me, okay. Well, let me play up here,
We should
McAllister.
have
Maybe
not
I can
switched
grab it.
teams.
Hey, got
What
it.
is you?
Oh my god, because I'm up front right now, you dildo. God.
Oh my
I
god.
already don't want to play with him. He's literally in the front of the freaking map. And he's like, if you grab the disc yet. You're killing Matt, McAllister.
Jackson, aren't you glad I'm not like that?
Shut up. I don't want to talk to you either. Look, I had to walk in front of you to grab it, you mongrel.
Correct.
Oh my fucking. I just.
Hey, where were you on that one?
Like, do you think this is how people play tennis, McAllister? They walk in front of each other?
I don't know.
I mean,
It
that's
seems to
kind
be
of how
working.
McAllister and I were playing.
Zach, stop.
Matt.
We need one more point, McAllister. Don't mess this up.
Whoa. We just got gamed on.
Nice. Get out of here!
Nice.
Shut up. I don't even want to talk to you.
Where are you at on that one, buddy? I don't know what happened there, I swear.
I expect that one to turn really hard. What?
I'm appreciating McAllister more and more because I feel like he did so much on defense that I just can't do. What the fuck was that? I want McAllister back.
So this is my problem the whole time. Zach was holding us back.
Yeah, I think it was.
I'm the one who carried us.
I mean,
Okay, you ran around that one. I can't
Town
give you
thing is
that.
push the sub.
Stop holding it awfully
Yeah.
long.
oh my god, he's charging it up. Whoa!
What the
I don't
fuck
even know how
What
to do
is
that.
that?
This man's been
He's hacking.
that's hacking.
Now let's see this point. Let's see this point breakdown.
Oh my god. I don't know how this is even a team game if I get made fun of every time. Look, I did more than
look at
Zach.
that. Look,
I did
he
more than
Zach.
Zach.
He did.
And I almost did what Matt did, okay? I don't want to hear
No.
it.
Hey, look, I shit talked you in the beginning because I expected poor performance. You did good. You did fine.
I don't.
I expected piss poor.
You're coming up the works.
Wait, why'd I leave?
Different.
I know what I'm not.
I'm just really
Is it dodgeball?
This is a different mode. What
Oh my god, it's dodgeball!
Oh, we're not supposed to touch it?
It's dodgeball. Yeah, let's go.
Where did this come from?
Oh my god, it bounces off the back of the wall.
Yeah! I think you have to block it. I think you have to actually get a block off in order to
Try
catch it from him. Oh my god.
I'm hoping Matt just kills himself, honestly.
Probably.
No, I don't think you have to block it. Matt, you don't have to block it. They have to block
Down now.
it. Blocking does nothing.
Sniped.
I didn't see your block come up, in fairness. Fucking sniper elite over here.
Oh my god.
So bad.
Oh my god. Zach, your character's so large.
Wait, how'd you catch it?
Fuck you.
How did you catch it?
No,
You know?
I'm better. That's how.
Does it have to hit the back wall first, maybe?
How does this fucking work?
I think it's diffused when it hits the back wall. It's diffused when it hits the back wall.
Okay,
so-
that makes sense. All right.
It's a little dark.
Oh god!
Wait, what?
Oh, you hit the wall.
Yeah.
No, I think it's because I threw it too soft.
Haven't died yet? Haven't died yet? Actually, I died once.
I haven't died yet.
I forgot the rules. Zach, you got this.
I keep thinking I'm playing the other game.
Zach, you're so slow. The only thing you have going for you is that you can throw hard.
No, again, I let it hit the back of me. Fuck.
How did we end up doing this?
I don't know. I didn't mean to. I just opened a doubles game thinking it would be
It's kind
normal.
of fun. I kind of like it.
I don't mind it. Wait for trying to. Dude, you can't catch
I
it.
like it because nobody can get mad at me.
Jackson, this game is perfect for you because you don't have to catch it.
Oh my god! I keep forgetting. I can't catch it from. You can't catch it. No, from behind. I get that I can't catch it though. Oh, now I almost
You look
fucked
like you try to catch it
right
from
after
behind.
saying that.
I'm just gonna run around circles.
Oh god.
No! It killed both of you.
Both of us. Oh, it doesn't count for extra though.
I did it. I did it. I know. I know. I know. Listen, I know better. Doesn't help me that I was born stupid. All right. Oh my god, he almost got. I saw you walk toward the two. I definitely. It is hard to remember you cannot catch the ball.
Zach, what are you doing?
He's trying to see how long he can stand still.
Yeah, I know. He does this like every game. And he just looks dumb every time.
Matt can't hit me. It's fine.
Nice flip. That was really good.
Dab on him.
Hit Zach.
I tried. It's kind of hard to aim. I never really had to worry about it.
Oh! Okay. Zach's still gonna stand still.
Just walk straight at him. Oh, what? If you throw it too soft, it doesn't count as a throw.
Oh my god, I'm dead. I thought he killed himself.
Can't catch it, man. The wall will do nothing. Oh my god, I tried to slide.
Oh, that's my man's.
I'm gonna try this not moving strategy. It kind of works.
Dude, it really does.
works. It really does. I know. I didn't exactly just come out and bomb me.
Dude, Zach is out for blood right now.
Oh my god.
You got it? You got it?
You got it? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Guys, for the giveaway, literally just sit there and wait until we tell you.
Yeah, no.
Finally, I fucking got him.
Oh. Ooh, oh, he's throwing beamers? He's throwing beamers? He's throwing beamos? I thought you both were screwed right there. I almost went for it, McAllister. I don't like when it doesn't have the blue trail. Oh, God.
Oh,
Gra-
Oh my god, I almost crossed the fucking
Zach! Zach! Oh god, why is it going so fast?
no!
Whoa! Whoa! No! Oh god, what a play!
What do you know about that?
What a play!
Zach. We can still win this.
Why'd you just steal that from me?
I don't know. Why'd you want it?
So I can throw it? Why else?
I was scared if I don't catch it once or twice, I'm gonna get yelled at.
You gotta get fair
My
point.
last teammate did that to me.
Oh my god!
How did I not hit it?
That slow little viper almost got me.
Oh no, not me!
Matt, I believe in you. I believe in you. You have the hardest cards.
Yes,
I thought it hit
Buddy,
the
you
wall.
had a good chance. Just give Matt.
I thought it hit our wall,
Matt,
so it
you did.
diffused.
You got this. Oh my god! He fucking jumped right through it.
I'm mad lad.
Oh, he's boosted. He's fucking cracked the Fortnite.
I was really hoping you wouldn't catch it.
Oh.
No!
Ah, tried to catch it.
Dab.
Damn.
Zach, we have won again. That was such a long game, dude.
damn.
Leave.
Can't we everyone did 0 points?
All right, leave this one. Let's yeah.
Oh, and we can't see how many points we did?
There was
Yeah,
no
I love
points.
that mode. We'll just say I did the most.
Oh, I apparently turned it on disc dodger, not doubles.
Where's the laptop?
Go up. There it is. Go up. That's the last section. There we go. We can skip. We don't have the
All right,
power. What? That guy's almost in the door. Wait, hold on. They're like, look at this man's arm just floating through the door.
The objectives are sometimes there.
We've now added them.